Now from the Song of TVKiDo. Donald Duck loves carrots, crunch, crunch, crunch. Daffy Duck eats apples for his lunch. They both eat broccoli, so green and tall. Healthy foods make them feel big and strong. Donald and Daffy eating so well. Fruits and veggies, you can tell. Strong and happy, they both sing. Healthy food is the greatest thing. Donald loves bananas, sweet and bright. Daffy munches spinach day and night. They sip on smoothies filled with fruit. Healthy food makes them dance and groove. Donald and Daffy eating so well. Fruits and veggies, you can tell. Strong and happy, they both sing. Healthy food is the greatest thing. Together they shout, yum, yum, yum. Healthy foods are so much fun. Donald and Daffy feel so grand, eating right with every hand. Donald and Daffy eating so well. Fruits and veggies, you can tell. Strong and happy, they both sing. Healthy food is the greatest thing. So eat your veggies just like them, and you'll feel great again and again.